If you're wondering how to clean the filter on your AEG extractor fan, it's really easy to do. So you do need to do this every now and then, depending on how often you use it. In our house here, we do it about once a month. So what we have to do is get this little bit here, and we're just going to push it down like that. And then the front bit will hinge down, and then we can just lift it out here. Now, I haven't got any other charcoal filters or anything in this, because from here it extracts straight outside, so it's actually going out to fresh air. So all I have to do is clean this here. So you can put it in a bowl with some nice soapy water, you know, like washing up liquid, or some people put it into the dishwasher as well. You will find that sometimes this will be really, really greasy, especially if you haven't done it in a while. So maybe keep an eye on it about once a month, depending on how often you use this, and then it will be easier to clean rather than leaving it once a year. And then to put it back in, we just need to put these two bits in at the back first, so it kind of fits at the back there nicely. And then we just go down here like so, and it locks into place. So make sure you put the back in first, like that. So it's nice and easy to do. Thanks for watching.